Kasorkar jala kelasya Meghalaya ban pynrung ya ke community integrated skill learning kumshimenta jong kujung pule jong kena no kelas 6 atau kelas 10. Mentri rangba ulia tu bayagan ni benta bathamai an pynrung hapok subject health and physical education barong ru basan pau nak sispa niki marks baro jong ni subject ona hilo kijing shim benta ki kena ha ka banang nak no kasap nak kam nak skill nala yeng ni nak emlang salang. Ula pencai bagi ni ketemu bagi kena kin biang hakikam ki belabut ketiu kayo kokot jengki hakalawai. Bat bagi kena kinam kentat ikakam ka bagi kepa ne ki keme ki trei. Bat ban pendek pensa ki kam tenrai ke long yeng bagi ni senjam bertemai kan penkelai ke jengmut jong ka kam hikai skul. Ka bamenta ka ban kentup lang bat ke jeng shisha jong ke jeng im bat kerukom im tenrai jong ke jela Meghalaya.
As a structured curricular component for class 6 to class 10. As you're aware that there is a component for physical and health education as one of the components as a sixth subject in the curriculum for class 6 and class 10, and that particular curriculum is very much restricted to different books and different information regarding health and physical activities and so on and so forth. Today we have decided in the cabinet that in that particular subject we will introduce a component of community integrated skill learning. This is a very innovative proposal that has come from the education department, where what we intend to do is we intend to put 50% of the marks for the student in that particular subject, in this case the health and physical education section, where the student will be asked to connect with one skill or multiple skills that he or she would like to do. And that could be a skill that is being done from their family perspective point of view, maybe one of their parents. Say, suppose the mother is into baking and has a bakery, then the son or the daughter would be, who's a student, would be encouraged to then learn that from their mother. Maybe the father is a blacksmith or a farmer or a farmer. Then the child would be asked to develop and learn that skill as a farmer, learn that skill as a blacksmith, so on and so forth. And this, of course, has got multiple aspects to it. Number one, the child will actually end up learning a skill that is going to be of a productive use in the future. Number two, it will also ensure that there is a continuity in terms of the occupation of that particular family. It's not necessary the child has to follow the same profession, but at least the chance of continuity is going to be higher. So sometimes we see that the children, stay away from the family kind of business or family activities, and this will ensure that at least the option of design to continue would be promoted by introducing this particular aspect. And third aspect is the whole aspect of the social impact within families. So you will see children talking to their parents and telling them, well, can you teach me baking? Because that's part of the marks that I'm supposed to get in my subject. And if I don't do that, then I will lose out the 50%. So it will also encourage a good, positive, coordination within the family members, and it will have a good social impact also. So all of these things were thought through, and we have decided that we will introduce this, the community integrated skill learning section in the structured curricular component for class 6 to class 10.